Karnataka Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar is set to expand his cabinet on August 3rd, with the Congress High Command approving the final list of 20 ministers. The swearing-in ceremony will be held at the Glass House in Lok Bhavan at 4:05 p.m., filling all 20 vacant berths in the 34-member cabinet. The expansion follows several rounds of discussions in New Delhi involving Shivkumar, former Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, and KPCC President D.K. Hari Prasad with the party's central leadership before the final list was cleared. Alongside the cabinet reshuffle, the Congress has also finalized key appointments in the legislature. MLA G.S. Patil will become the new Speaker of the Karnataka Assembly, replacing U.T. Khader, who is joining the cabinet. Virajpet MLA A.S. Punnanna is set to take over as Deputy Speaker. In the Legislative Council, senior Congress leader Salim Ahmed will assume charge as the chairperson, while actor turned MLC Umeshri has been chosen as the deputy chairperson.